Transitioning to electric vehicles is a huge stride forward for any business. ZPN Energy can help you on that journey with our flexible EV charging solutions as well as energy generation, storage, and vehicle telematics. By utilizing forecourt and roof space, ZPN can help you generate free, clean, green energy or harvest energy from the grid at off-peak rates. Our local energy storage ensures that not only do you save money, but you can also avoid peak energy strains and help ensure your fleet charging management is uninterrupted. And with your energy management problem solved, you can focus on the true benefits of converting your fleets to EV. Introducing EVI, the simple solution to remote EV management and data collection. EVI consolidates maintenance data from any electric vehicle or charging point, be it heavy goods vehicle, public transport, or e-bicycle. But data collection is only the beginning of the capabilities EVI can offer your fleet management. With our software, your fleet manager can monitor all of your EV fleet in real time, allowing managers and scheduling teams to remotely monitor the condition of active EVs to calculate their range from remaining battery percentage. In the event that a vehicle looks unlikely to reach its planned destination, EVI allows the fleet manager to remotely activate eco mode and ensure all journeys are completed. By remotely monitoring all fleet EV current charge status, you can schedule future jobs by having accurate charge completion times. EVI can monitor any misconnected EVs to ensure that all vehicles which should be charging are connected and are charging efficiently and correctly. In the event of a new prioritized job becoming available, EVI can monitor all active vehicles and assess which has the available range to accept the job. Fleet monitors can also monitor the temperature and conditions of the vehicle fleet and order any unit showing concerning telltale signs to return to the depot. However, in the unfortunate occasion one of your EVs runs out of charge before reaching a charging point, EVI in partnership with ZPN Energy can fast-track your EV's position to ZPN, the world's first on-demand EV recovery and charging service. ZPN provides roadside rapid charging to out-of-charged EVs, allowing a speedy recovery and ensuring peace of mind in any out-of-charge scenario within a fleet. Larger ZPN units can even be used as mobile fuel stores to charge vehicles in the field. In conclusion, EVI can collect and consolidate data from your EVs and EV chargers, monitor the location of all active units in your fleet, feedback up-to-date battery and maintenance data of individual EVs, feedback telltales identifying non-reported vehicle issues, remotely control eco mode, monitor charging units, assess which vehicles can accept priority jobs, provide an EV recovery service with ZPN, help decide when the most cost-effective time is to obtain highest residual value in vehicle resale, and provide your EV fleet with more miles per charge. ZPN Energy and EVI, giving you more miles per charge.